Thank you. Now we'll invite Casey Longacre forward for our reading.
From the Daily Word, I view every moment as an opportunity for change and transformation. In Meditation, A Way of Life, Julien Bouchard writes, "Nothing is stable, nothing is static. Everything is moving, everything is transforming, and from one moment to another, we are the spectators of our world's renewal of a new universe." Rather than concerning change as a fear of the unknown, I consider it an opportunity to transform the way that I think, feel, and act. I shift into new ways of being by shifting my perceptions, attitudes, and beliefs about myself and my world. Thought by thought, I can change my outlook and my attitude, regardless of what is happening in my life or around me. I always have the power to change. Every moment is an opportunity for transformation. I have learned through experience that change is an essential element of my spiritual journey. I have also learned that I have within me all the guidance I need to make the choices that will most effectively move me forward. I relax and trust the guidance of Spirit within to show me the changes that are mine to make and to lead me away from the changes that are not needed on my path. And from Isaiah 43, chapter 19, I am about to do a new thing. Now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? I will make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert.